When it comes to dropshipping software, Jazva is one of the options that pops up. But before you decide to dive in, there are 12 things you should know. We'll cover everything from its features to its pricing and how it stacks up against its competitors like Shopify and Oberlo. Stick with me to the end so you can make an informed decision. First, Jazva is known for its robust product management system. It offers bulk product import, automatic inventory synchronization, and SKU management, which is crucial for scaling a dropshipping business. However, compared to platforms like Shopify, Jazva might feel a bit less intuitive for beginners. Shopify's interface is often praised for being user-friendly, especially for those just starting out. Next thing to consider is Jazva's order management system. It includes automatic order fulfillment, which helps streamline your business operations. But it's worth noting that competitors like Oberlo might offer quicker integrations with platforms like AliExpress, which Jazva does not provide as seamlessly. So, if you're looking for ease in order sourcing, Jazva might require a little more manual effort. The third thing is Jazva's pricing structure. It's not the cheapest option out there, starting with a monthly fee and charging extra for add-ons and premium features. This could make it less attractive compared to free options like Oberlo, especially for startups with limited budgets. However, the cost might be justified if you're running a larger, more complex operation that requires the full suite of Jazva's tools. The fourth thing is Jazva's integration options. While Jazva integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it doesn't offer as many third-party integrations as some competitors. This could be a deal breaker if you rely on specific tools or apps to run your business. The fifth thing is its customer support. Jazva has a dedicated support team available 24/7, which is a big plus. But again, when compared to Shopify, some users have reported that Jazva's support response times can be slower, which can be frustrating if you need quick solutions to problems. The sixth thing is Jazva's reporting features. It offers detailed analytics and reports on sales, profit margins, and more, which can help you make better business decisions. This is something that puts Jazva ahead of simpler tools like Oberlo, but Shopify's reporting tools might be more comprehensive, especially if you're using advanced apps. Next, Jazva offers a built-in multi-channel selling feature. This allows you to list products on multiple platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. It's a nice feature, but Shopify's integrations with these platforms are smoother and offer more customization. So, if you're selling across multiple marketplaces, Shopify might offer a better overall experience. The eighth thing to know is Jazva's dropshipping automation tools. It automates most aspects of dropshipping, from order fulfillment to inventory management, making it easier to run a store with minimal manual effort. However, tools like Oberlo provide a more hands-off experience, especially when it comes to integrating with suppliers like AliExpress. The ninth thing is Jazva's warehouse management. If you're dealing with large inventory and need advanced warehouse tracking, Jazva excels in this area. This is something Shopify doesn't handle as well without third-party apps, which makes Jazva a better choice for those who need more inventory control. The 10th thing is Jazva's scalability. If you plan on expanding your business, Jazva can support larger operations with its advanced features. But for smaller, growing stores, the added complexity and cost of Jazva might be unnecessary. In those cases, Shopify might be a more affordable and scalable option for the long term. The 11th thing is Jazva's mobile app. While the mobile app does allow you to manage orders and track inventory, it's not as feature-rich as those offered by Shopify, which has a more polished mobile experience that many users prefer. Finally, Jazva offers a lot of customization options, but with that comes a steeper learning curve. While Shopify is known for being more intuitive and beginner-friendly, Jazva may require more technical know-how, which could be a challenge for those who are new to e-commerce. Overall, Jazva is a solid option for dropshipping businesses, especially if you're looking for advanced features and scalability. However, if you want an easier setup and a more beginner-friendly experience, you might want to consider Shopify, or for an even more hands-off experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.